In this video, we're replacing the reverse lights in a 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. Make sure you wear some clean gloves if you're installing incandescent bulbs, but if you're installing LEDs like we are, you won't need those. The only tool you're going to need is a plastic trim removal tool because a screwdriver is going to scratch up your plastic trim pieces. After you open the rear hatch, you'll be able to see two panels which house the reverse light bulbs. Put your trim removal tool on the edge with the small indent. It will pop out on this side and pivot outward from the other. With the panels removed, you can now rotate the light socket to remove it. The driver's side is removed clockwise while the passenger side is removed counterclockwise. Pull the old bulb out and replace it with the new one. If you're installing an LED, you will have to check for polarity by putting it into reverse. This may require you to have the engine running, so always make sure the vehicle is under your control. Put the bulb sockets back in reverse of their original direction, then insert the panel back in place. If you accidentally mixed up the panels, the back side of each one is labeled left hand and right hand. And with that, the job is done. Check out our other Crosstrek content, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.